Let me tell you a short story. Ronnie, you are the best thing ever happened in my life. People used to say, beauty is in the heart, not in the face. I did realize that after I met you. Do you remember the first time we met?
क्या या आपकी पहली उड़ान है? एना लड़ाकी, flight first time आ. Seri, पाथे पोंगा.
Hey, I'm Brian. And you? You're looking beautiful. So you won't talk to me? Okay. Fine. Ronnie. Thank you for at least letting me know your name. I want to tell you something. But not here. I'll meet you in the park tomorrow morning. And I have something to give you too. Take care. Why don't you say something? Fine.
Kavalai Padade Rani, Intha. Panakaran, Elamiptidhan. I'm here for you.
Hi Miss Priya. I'm Brian. I came to meet Ronnie. Is she here? My dear Ronnie. I'm really sorry. I wanted to see you but I had an emergency. Please forgive me. I want to give you something. My heart. Why don't you say something?
She is mute by birth.
I love you, Ronnie. I promise that I'll always be beside you. I love you. Will you marry me? Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you for being there for me always. I love you so much.
Dad. That's beautiful.
It's been 3 years Ronnie left us. I always feel she's there with me.
Yes, Ronnie is always with us. I love you, Dad.
Love you too, my little Ronnie.